So okay na yun. So 20 jam shots for today. But at least I was able to return. Maybe some of you are doubting whether I can still go back and return and do the jump shots. Maybe some of you are doubting. Even I myself, I also entertained the thought baka hindi na lang muna mag-jump shots. Pero actually, yung solution pala, ito. This one. So, knee support. So, as I said, yung hypertension naman, controlled. So, my cardio, my heart is strong. No? Only the lower back, which is the lumbar, which is disorder or abnormalities, no? So siguro lang, discipline, and then always stay within the allowed movements allowed by my doctor, no? So he said I can do walking, no? But there has to be the support, the knee strap. So this is the knee strap, no? Which I bought in KCC. I tried in medical supplies. They have a different version of the knee support. There's no strap. It's like there's medium and large sizes, but I'm not sure if it fits the knee. So this is better now. So when I'm walking, I'm not anymore that conscious, because what is happening is when you have disorder in lumbar, according to my doctor, that's the source of pain. So because of the abnormalities, in L1, L2, and I think L3, so that affects my left knee. Parang yung pressure na pupunta sa left knee, especially when I jump, whenever I play basketball. So that's the reason why I'm now using this, so knee support. So I'm also preparing this one for tomorrow, because if you go on travel, there should be no discomfort like this one. So now there's no discomfort anymore. So I feel okay. So when I walk, so it's like if there's no support, you're feeling the discomfort. It's like your knee, the ligaments are moving, but it's really not that painful. But you know that it's not in place. But if there's knee support, if there's knee strap, it's not moving. It's just like it's firm. But of course, there's support. You feel like it's really not that 100% normal, as in normal, because you feel the support. You feel the strap. There's certain tension. My tension sa strap, but at least it's not moving, right? It's not moving. So I'm now wearing my basketball attire. So I'm slowly wearing the basketball attire because I dropped from 81. Now I dropped to 73. But since I'm eating now, so no more fasting starting today. So I increased a little bit on fruits. I increased a little bit on the calories, no? Calorie intake, like for example, morning I increased, so I add egg. So one boiled egg, chocolate, and then I ate oatmeal. And then for lunch, generous servings of 3 parts chicken, and then I ate. So it's like estofado. I cook my own estofado version. So I ate carrots, and then in between I ate banana, boiled banana. So whenever I'm traveling, I have to eat well, no? Eat normally. So tomorrow when I wake up in the morning, I have to eat, no? Breakfast. But of course, cut down on I might be eating rice, but less rice. maybe half a cup of rice lang muna. Breakfast, lunch, and then maybe dinner. It depends on how stressed we are in our travel to Santa Mesa. So discomfort from 1 to 10, wala. So there's no discomfort now. So it's 0. So meaning to say the knee strap is really working. So this is recommended by my doctor. So it's really different when you have a TT expert guiding you. No? Because normally, whenever you're experiencing pain, what do you have in mind? So blood chem, right? And then you're thinking maybe it's the uric acid, maybe it's arthritis and all. But you have to check first with your PT what is causing the pain. So on my part, I know that there's disorder, but then I stopped therapy ever since I discovered that there's abnormality in 2014. But I didn't continue the therapy. But then now, since I'm 50 years old, I'm onto it. So I am locked in to start a new chapter of my life, which is to live a healthy life, you know. As much as possible, do intermittent fasting. Fasting, I'm merging this with physical and spiritual also. It's like whenever I feel like I'm doubting whether I can do fasting, so I always, my model that I'm following is Jesus's model. Temptation, right? So to fight temptation is really look up to Jesus because he's the best model on how to counter temptation, especially in the desert, right? 3 times he was tempted, but then he didn't submit to whatever he was offered, no? The worldly desires that was offered to him, no? Food, kingdom, no? And he maintained his resolve, he maintained his mission, no? So for 40 days he fasted. So if he was able to do it as a human, we can. Of course, it's also very difficult to fast for 40 days. But what I'm saying is, at least twice a week or once a week. So, but for now, when I'm on travel, so travel is from 8 to 12. So no fasting muna. Kasi it's an unfamiliar territory eh. So we wouldn't know. I still don't know how my body would react to the new environment. Of course, the bed, the pillows, no, the food. I wouldn't know what, hotels will be serving. Usually it's fried egg, so usually fried, no, hot dog. So that's why I'm bringing my own Energen and I'm bringing my own chocolate drink, just in case there are no options. But of course, in conferences, there will be healthy options. But I'd go for chop suey, maybe vegetables, maybe 1 or 2 parts chicken, breast part. No? So I will still eat healthy, but there's no fasting. Wala munang fasting sa travel. So I've been walking for the past, moving for the past 30 minutes. So far, 1. From 1 to 10, 1 discomfort.